Hey friends, Zen Kun here. It's time for Primal Nature Play. Using two-handled Karlakati clubs today. I got a 4-pound one, Margaret's got a 3.5-pound one. We're going to be doing a great move that works the entire body. So remember when you're doing clubs of any kind, Indian clubs, Clubbell, steel clubs, that you include all sorts of movements for your entire body, not just your upper body. Let's play it. Here we go. So what you want to be doing is a nice complex move with lots of components, and allow yourself to take your time doing the movement. Don't rush it. Make each component distinct and clear. We'll do two more. One of the keys to maximizing your practice, your movement practice, is first of all, be mindful. Second of all, you want to have lots of diversity. Third thing is you want to make sure that you've got whole body engagement. So don't just work upper body or just lower body or just rotational. Work lots of different planes of movement, and always, always, always make it fun. That's right.